Dear friends, now we discuss diphthongs. What is the meaning of the diphthongs? Let's know first. Diphthongs means a sound is formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable. First of all, let's know about the sound of. This is the first one. There are diphthongs, 8 diphthongs in English. There are 8 diphthongs in English. First one, diphthong means there will be two sounds. Two sounds are formed as one sound. In that sound, there will be two sounds also, vowel sounds. This is the A sound. This is the E sound. A plus E. A. A plus E. A. D-A-Y. Day. Da sound. E sound. A sound. E sound. This the word day pronunciation is D-A-Y. Day. Today. F-A-M-O-U-S. The pronunciation is famous. Famous. A. Famous. Next, second one. This is the A sound. This is the E sound. A plus E. I. S-K-Y. Sky. Sound is sky. S-K. This is S sound. K sound. A sound. E sound. I. Sky. Sky. Next sound. Third one. O plus E. This is the O sound. This is the E sound. Totally when we combined, B-O-Y. Boy. Oi. Boy. Oi. Boy. Oi. Boy. This is the British sound. Generally British people use this sound as oi, boy, but American boy. Ba sound, O sound. This is the A sound. Boy. 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 So next sound we have to know. Fourth one. This is the A sound. This is the U sound. N-O-W. Now. Where are you going now? So A sound, U sound. Ow. Now. This is the now or now. Next sound. This is the A sound. This is the U sound. A plus U. Ow. M-O-U-T-H. So this is the Ma sound. This is the A sound. This is the U sound. This is the Ta sound. So mouth. Shut your mouth. Next, E sound and A sound. E plus A. Yeah. H-E-R-E. Here. Generally we say. H-E-R-E. Here. Generally we say. But ending in English words, ending E won't be pronounced. Let's see. Ha sound, he sound, A sound. Yeah. Here. Commonly this pronunciation is not here. Yeah. Here is. So here is no one. Yeah. E-A. Only we have to pronounce E-A in this word. Yeah. Here is no one. Next one. Woo-ah. U plus A, wa, wa. When we pronounce the word P-O-O-R, poor, generally we pronounce four, but according to pronunciation, fua. This is the fa sound, this is the o sound, this is the a sound, this is the ra sound. Generally, American people will pronounce R sound. British people won't pronounce R sound. First we check British pronunciation. Fua, fua, ua, fua, fua, ua, fua. Next, sure, S-U-R-E, sure, sure, sure. But American, fuar, fuar, sure, 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 sure. But British, fua, sure, fua, sure. Next, last one, eighth one. This is the eighth diphthong. Ye, a. A sound, a sound. When we combined as the diphthong, ea, ea. H-A-I-R, hair. Generally, we pronounce this word as hair, but ea, ea. Exactly, ea, ea cutting, ea cutting. American, air cutting. American, air cutting. Okay, these are all the diphthongs sounds. Diphthongs means in one letter there will be two vowel sounds. Two vowel sounds combined as one sound is called diphthong. Okay, let's learn every sounds. Tomorrow we may know consonant sounds. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning a good pronunciation. As well as finally, I would like to say one thing. Tomorrow onwards, I will post lesson videos. Rendezvous with Ray.